So friends, this is the analysis problem. We have to find out shear strength of concrete. I'll read out the problem statement for you. A reinforced concrete rectangular beam has width 230 mm and total depth 600 mm with effective cover of 25 mm. The beam is reinforced with 3 bars with 20 mm diameter at support section on tension side. Calculate the shear strength of the support section if 8 mm diameter 2-legged stirrups are provided at a spacing of 200 mm center to center. Use M20 grade of concrete and Fe415 grade of steel. Use limit state method. So it was a question for 7 marks asked in Savitribai Phule Pune University for 7 marks in April 2019, last year end sem examination. So we shall start with the solution of this problem. First of all, we will have to find out the area of steel on tension side. Before that, we shall just list down the given data. Okay, so here is the given data. One by one. Width B is given as 230 mm. Then overall depth is 600 mm. Effective cover is given as 25 mm. Okay, so from this we will get effective depth as 600 minus 25, which is 575 mm. Then area of steel is given 3 bars of 20 mm. Okay, so 3 into pi by 4 into 20 square. So from this the answer is 942.48 mm square. Then stirrup diameter is given. Phi S is 8 mm 2-legged. Phi stands for diameter, S stands for stirrups. Then what else is given? Spacing of stirrups is given SV as 200 mm. Okay, next FCK is given, which is 20 Newton per mm square, and grade of steel is 415 Newton per mm square. So this much data has been given. So first of all, let us see how much is percentage of steel. Percentage of steel. This is equal to 100 AST upon BD. So 100 into area of steel we have calculated 942.48 divided by width of the section is 230 mm into effective depth is 575 mm. So this percentage of steel comes out to be 0.71%. Okay, now we have to refer IS 456. In IS 456 we have to go to page 73, table 19. So I'll write here the reference for you. From table 19, IS 456 2000, page 73. You go to this page in IS code and you refer this table where ultimate shear strength of the concrete for different percentage of steel is given. So our value is 0.71, which lies in this range 0.5 and 0.75. So our value is 0.71. We have to find out tau UC for 0.71, and given values of 0.5 and 0.75 are 0.48 and 0.56. You please verify this, and from this you now calculate what is tau UC for our calculator percentage of steel. Tau UC you just find out using this equation directly. You first of all write here 0.48. Okay, so this is 0.48. Next to this is 0.75, which is given in IS code. For next higher percentage of steel, tau UC increases. it means obviously for 0.71 this value will be more than 0.48. So you add the next difference that we are going to calculate. So 0.48 plus. Now carefully see. Next is 0.56 minus 0.48. So difference of these two multiplied by 0.71 minus 0.50. Okay, so 0.71 minus 0.50. This product divided by, again one difference is there, which is 0.75 minus 0.5. This is how we find values using interpolation. So I will calculate this value quickly. So this is 0.5472. Okay, 0.5472. So I will round it off to 0.55 Newton per mm square. So see that it is less than 0.56 but more than 0.48. So it is close to 0.75's value. Okay, and 0.71 is closer to 0.75. So 2UC is also closer, these two values. So this is the main part in this analysis problem. Now we have to find out shear strength resisted by concrete and resisted by steel. Okay, so shear strength or shear resisted by concrete, which is given by VUC designation, it is equal to tau UC, that is shear stress, into cross sectional area, net cross sectional area. So stress into area will be shear strength. Okay, so this is equal to, value of tau UC is here 0.55 multiplied by width of the beam is 230 and depth 575. So this value we will get in Newton, so we will divide this by 1000, so you will get shear strength in kilonewton. So calculate this value now. So this is 72.7375. So I will round it off to 72.74. 72.74 kilonewton. So this is shear resisted by concrete part. Now at this section we have reinforcement also, vertical stirrups also. So what is shear strength resisted by vertical stirrups? That will be VUSV. VU is ultimate, V stands for shear, so ultimate shear, S stands for stirrups, and this small v stands for vertical. So shear strength of vertical stirrups, it is given as 0.4 times B into D. So 0.4 into B is 230, small d is 575. Again you divide this by 1000, you will get this value in kilonewton. So 0.4 into 230 into 575 upon 1000. So this is 52.9. I will write down here 52.9 kilonewton. So our problem is nearly over, only one step is remaining. We just have to add these two values. So shear resisted by concrete and vertical stirrups is equal to 72.74 plus 52.9. So total is 125.64 kilonewton. So this is shear strength of concrete. Thank you.